A civil authority has issued a civil danger warning for the following counties or areas: Hamilton County, Ohio, beginning at 2:43 p.m. and ending at 6:43 p.m. Lackland PD. Go indoors now. Active shooter near 524 North Wayne Avenue. Sent May 8, 26 at 2:40 p.m. per Lackland Police. Active shooter in area of 524 North Wayne Avenue. There is a high risk of injury or death. Avoid area until further notice. Go indoors now, lock and barricade doors, and stay away from windows. Wait for further instructions from police. Sent May 8, 26 at 2:40 p.m.